How to post on Spotlight Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the Spotlight icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Here you have the option of upload a video or create. If you want to upload one from your gallery, select upload. Otherwise, you can select create option over here. Here you want to record a video. Make sure it is a video longer than 5 seconds. After that, tap on the preview option. Now here you can simply edit your video. After that is done, tap on the send to option. Now here you want to make sure that Spotlight is selected. If it is not, make sure to check this option. Now here on this box, you want to enter a description, a topic, or tag a location to post to Snapchat Map and get more views. After that is done, you want to tap on this paper plane icon. As you can see, your video has been submitted to Spotlight, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.